Some scientists invent, some innovate, and a rare few revolutionize multiple fields at once. Manfred von Ardenne was one such visionary, a German physicist and inventor who left his mark on electronics, nuclear research, and medical technology. Born in 1907 in Hamburg, Germany, von Ardenne showed an exceptional talent for science from a young age. By his teenage years, he was already experimenting with radio technology, setting the stage for his groundbreaking contributions to television and electron microscopy. In 1931, at just 24 years old, von Ardenne made history by developing the first fully electronic television system. Unlike mechanical televisions of the time, his design used a cathode ray tube, a breakthrough that paved the way for modern television screens. But von Ardenne's genius didn't stop there. He also revolutionized electron microscopy, enhancing magnification power to reveal the microscopic world like never before. His improvements helped advance fields like biology, chemistry, and material science. During World War II, von Ardenne turned his focus to nuclear physics. He played a key role in isotope separation, a crucial process in nuclear energy development. After the war, he was taken to the Soviet Union, where he contributed to the Soviet nuclear program for several years before returning to East Germany. Beyond physics, von Ardenne also revolutionized medical technology. His work on oxygen multi-step therapy led to advancements in treating cardiovascular diseases, making a lasting impact on modern healthcare. From television to nuclear research to medical innovations, Manfred von Ardenne's work shaped multiple fields of science and technology. His legacy continues to influence the world we live in today. What do you think was von Ardenne's greatest invention? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible science stories.